In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive not downloading. If you click download and nothing happens, or it stalls forever, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have several reliable fixes to get your files moving again. Start by opening your web browser and simply searching for Google Drive. This ensures you're landing on the correct, up-to-date entry point rather than a bookmark that might be outdated or tied to an old session. In the results, look for the official Google Drive link. It should clearly show it's from Google. Open that page to access your drive safely. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in to the correct account so you can reach the files you need. If you're using Chrome and download still won't start, take a look at the right side of the address bar. You may see an eye icon or a shield icon indicating that something is being blocked. Click it and make sure third-party cookies are allowed for Google Drive. Drive's download process sometimes relies on these cookies, especially when it prepares archives for multiple files. Choose the option to allow cookies for this site, then refresh the page and try the download again. Next, pause any ad blockers or privacy extensions you're running. Tools like content blockers or strict privacy managers can mistake Drive's download prompts for pop-ups and silently block them. Click the extensions button, temporarily disable the blocker for Drive, google.com, and retry. Remember to turn your extensions back on once the file is downloaded. If that doesn't help, open an incognito or private window. This launches a clean browsing session that ignores most extensions and cached data, making it a great diagnostic step. In that private window, sign in to Drive again and attempt the download. If it works here, you've confirmed that an extension or cached setting was the issue in your regular session. Finally, switch your download method. If right-clicking a file and choosing download doesn't respond, double-click the file to open it in preview. In the top right of the preview, use the download icon to start the transfer. For larger files or folders, give Drive a moment. It may need to prepare a zip before the download begins, and you'll see status updates as it processes. Follow these fixes in order, and you should be able to restore your downloads without any extra tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your files from Drive without a hitch.